Good morning. My name is Philomena Bian, and now I want to explain my material about presupposition and speech act. Okay, the first one, presupposition. Presupposition is also at heart a discourse or pragmatic mission science the knowledge and beliefs of the speaker and the audience about things in the world are crucial in determining whether a sentence like the classic sentence. For example, the present king of France is Belle. This sentence entails the existence of particular individual, normally someone fitting the definite description like the present king of France. And the second one example of the presuppositions, you can see in point A, that is to presuppose the point, and the sentence B, the of the present of the affective predicate regret, where no such presuppositions are found for the otherwise parallel in the sentence C. Okay, the second one, speech acts. Speech acts is the force of linguistic expression. According by John L. Irvin, proposed there are three types of the speech acts. The first one, locutionary acts, and the second one, locutionary acts, and the last one, perlocutionary acts. Okay, the first one, locutionary acts. Locutionary acts is the act of saying something like the basic literal meaning of the words chosen. For example, you will get your hands blown off. So the speaker literally perform acts of saying that the hearer will get their hands blown off. The second one, allocutionary acts. Allocutionary acts is the act performed in say something. For example, you will get your hands blown off. So in many contexts, utterance of the statement in the "you will get your hands blown off," it is too eternal and understood as an act warning. So the speaker often performs speech acts with the communicative purpose that does not correspond to their opposite sentence meaning. The way you get someone to close the door may not be explicitly using in imperative structure. For example, close the door, please. But you can use the question like, could I get you to close the door? And you can use the statement like, it suddenly got darkly. Speech act like the close the door example is known as indirect speech act. It is because allocutionary force of the speech acts is different from the illocutionary force of their sentence type. And that is your questions sentence type in order to give a comment which should be via imperative sentence. And the last, perlocutionary acts. Perlocutionary acts is the acts performed by saying something. The act of producing an effect in the hearer by means of the utterance. For example, there is a hornet bee on your left ear. Uh, so when So when I say there is here or be in your left ear, it may cause you to panic, scream, and screech with your ear because you may not. It is you may not have the intention to make you hear to be panic and scream when you say to hear or him that there is hornet or a bee in your left ear. You may simply just want to give warning to he or him, but to be careful and him to be careful with the horn, but he or him to be panic or scream, and it may causes you to panic. And the next example, a neighbor said to residential brief window, I was so sorry to hear about your loss. So there is half possible effect, like hearer may remember her sadness and he behind to weep or cry. So that's all my material. So keep watching. Thank you and good morning.